Hi, I'm Jamie from Copters, and these are the top 5 things you need to know about the brand new DJI M30 Series. Number 1, there's 2 of them. This launch saw the unveiling of not 1, but 2 DJI drones, the DJI M30 and the M30T. If you take a closer look at the kit, you'll see some similarities to the past DJI drones. The aim of creating these drones was to make a Mavic-style, compact drone that outputs the power of the M300. And that's what they've achieved with the M30 and the M30T, slashing the weight of the body of the M300, but making it small enough to fit in the back of your backpack. This takes us to number 2, the payloads are fixed. If you're a current user of the Matrice 300, you'll be aware of the amazing range of payloads that are available. The new body takes 2 of the M300's most iconic cameras, the H20 and the H20T, slims them down by over half the weight and integrates them directly into the drone. This means you'll still be getting the 640x512 thermal camera, 12 megapixel wide camera, 1200 meter laser rangefinder, but you'll also get a 48 megapixel zoom camera exclusive to the M30 series. By fixing the payload on board the drone, DJI was also able to achieve an increased IP rating of 55, giving better protection against dust and water. But that's not the only thing that's received an upgrade in water protection. So has number 3, the brand new smart controller. DJI has also treated us to a brand new smart controller. The Mavic 3 brought us the DJI RC Pro, but now you can get your hands on the RC Plus. The RC Plus has a 27% larger screen, now measuring at a whopping 7 inches. To add to this, it's now IP54 rated, so you no longer have to huddle under an umbrella or a car boot when an emergency operation arises. Number 4, upgraded FPV camera. The new FPV camera has also seen an upgrade, with enhanced performance in low light. The M30's smart low light photo function captures clear pictures and footage even at night. But what good would any of this be if you're out of charge? And that's why DJI have introduced number 5, smart battery charging. The DJI M30 comes with a brand new briefcase-sized BS30 intelligent battery station. But what does this mean? So the station can hold up to 8 M30 batteries and 2 controller batteries all at once. It also offers 3 charging options to cater for various needs of your operations. Firstly, you've got standard mode, which charges each pair of batteries to 100%, 1 pair at a time. Ready to fly mode charges each pair of batteries from 20 to 90% in under 30 minutes. This is going to provide extra liberty for emergency response who require constant eye in the sky. Storage mode charges each pair to 50%. This is ideal for the batteries if you don't have any work scheduled in for the M30 in the near future. And that's everything that you need to know about the brand new DJI M30 series. If you have any questions, get in touch with us at sales@copters.com, and we'll see you at the next one.